The Course Materials and Reading List Service is an online service provided by the University of Alberta Library. This online service will help keep your course materials organized, succinct, and accessible. In this video, I will be showing you the 3 crucial steps you are going to need to take in order to access the full benefit of the Course Materials and Reading List service. Step 1. Log in. In your web browser, navigate to library.ualberta.ca. Click on the Course Materials button. Then, click on Login. Log in using your CC ID and password. There's also some information you're going to need to input on this page. Step 2. Register. Click on the Home button and scroll down to find where you register. Make sure you register. Registering is different from signing in with your CC ID. You have to do both or else you won't be able to create lists. Step 3. Install the bookmark button. This is the one-stop shop for adding to your lists. Click on the My Bookmarks tab. Then click on the Install Bookmarks button. Read these instructions and click Next. Now click and drag on where it says Add to My Bookmarks. Drop it in your Bookmarks toolbar, and voila, you're done. Click Next. Click Close. And your Bookmarks button is now in your Bookmarks toolbar. The Bookmark button is coded to add as much information as possible, like publisher, DOI, or cover art. Even though sometimes this information gets missed, you have the option to input it yourself. I also recommend adding some keywords here in the notes. This will make it simpler if you want to search for certain materials at a later date. You may have 20 references on national parks, but you can search for exactly the ones that reference tourism by being specific with your keywords in the notes. I hope you've gained some knowledge from our video. You should now have full access to create and view lists. Make sure this is done before viewing the additional webinets or other instructional videos for the reading lists. I'm going to be honest with you. The beginning stages of setting up your reading lists will be a bit time-consuming. However, the knowledge and skills you will acquire will make setting up courses, keeping classes organized, and improving accessibility and workflow simple, and be an effective use of your time. The library also has detailed instructions on how to set up your reading lists. The link to that website is in the description below. Now go out and compile your reading lists, and make sure to check back for updates and announcements, as well as tips to help you get the most out of the course materials and reading list services.